A while back, I made a video showing you how to change your pendant light shade, and it's been great seeing how many of you it helped. But I gotta tell you, I've been reading your comments and I hear your frustration loud and clear. So many of you are running into the same problem. It's that plastic collar or that plastic ring that holds your pendant light shade in place. Sometimes it's stuck tight from the factory, maybe it's put on backwards, maybe it's cracked, or your shade is just so deep and so narrow that it's hard to get your fingers in there to actually twist the ring off. My suggestion has been to try some needle nose pliers, and while it's a decent fix, I know it's not perfect. It's sometimes hard to grip the collar. It's easy to slip and crack the plastic or scratch up your nice fixture. I didn't want to just leave you hanging with kind of a maybe fix, so I went out and found an actual tool designed specifically for this job to remove that ring. Let me show you how it works. Before we get started, safety first. Always make sure to shut off your electricity before you start working on any kind of lighting. First thing we're going to do is remove our light bulb. Okay, and here is the tool. This is the Anmeyer socket ring tool. Now there are lots of other ones like this on the market. This is just the one that I happened to pick up, and it seems to work really, really well. If you're curious about the dimensions, it's about 2 inches wide and about 4.5 inches long. What we're gonna do is simply slide this part right over our ring and then twist to the left. Now just to make sure we're all on the same page here, this is what I'm talking about. This piece right here, which is your collar or ring. As you can see, it twists onto the socket and holds the actual lampshade in place between the socket and the actual pendant. Okay, so we're just gonna grab our tool and slide it right on top of our collar or our ring, and make sure you have a good grip on the shade itself and the part that it connects to, basically the bottom of the pendant, because these are gonna become a little bit loose when you twist. And we're just gonna grab the bottom of our tool here and switch to the left until it comes all the way off. And as you can see, our pendant shade comes off. Now after you get your collar off, you can take a look at it, inspect it, see if it's still functional. The beauty of the tool that I bought, it comes with 6 extra collars. So if you get your collar off, here's the one I just took off, and you find that it's broken or misshapen or something like that, guess what? You can use one of the pieces that comes with the tool to replace your collar. All right, and once you've gotten your lampshade back on the pendant, we're just gonna slip that collar back in our fancy tool and put it right back in place, just twisting to the right this time. Then we're gonna grab our bulb and put that back in. That's it. Thanks for watching, everybody.